Hey guys, it is 2024 and we are back and back better than ever. I am back with some more unboxings. I've got a ton of stuff to share and I'm my girly era this year. I always say I'm not a girly girl. I've always worn the same makeup routine for 10 years. I've been wearing the same foundation for 14 and I literally curl my hair the exact same every day, same makeup. I just really like clothes and turquoise. But I like to get down and dirty in the mud, outside. But we're going to change it up a little bit. We're going to try some new makeup. We're going to try some new hair products. We're going to get out of our comfort zone. So let's jump in. I've got a box full of TikTok shop goodies that TikTok made me do it that we are going to try this week. So let's just jump in. If you haven't seen, wow, they are back at it. They've been around for a while, but they are viral on TikTok right now. And I have used a couple of their products, but I've never used this. And if you know anything about me, I'm a Texas girl, so bigger hair, the better. So super excited about this. I have seen so many people use it, and I'm excited. It's the Bombshell Volumizer. It's called Extra Large, so grab this. Don't wait for me to try it. Just grab it. Trust me. My girl, Ruffy McDuffie, literally blew me away with her tutorial, so I had to grab this. Okay, next, some more Wild products. I bought a couple samples to give a try because I want to give my honest review. So they're all linked right here in TikTok shop. This is a supernatural spray, magically transforms texture, amazing humidity proofing powers. Okay, right now I have a spray like this in my hair because I just got my hair done 2 days ago, so I don't have any frizz. But if you watch some of my old videos, you'll see your girl got some frizz, especially in Texas. The humidity ain't no joke. So we're all about the sleeking, slimming hair products, right? Okay, and then Color Security shampoo and conditioner. I'm looking for a new shampoo and conditioner. My face and hair, I feel just gets used to products. So one thing I do change up quite often is my shampoo and conditioner. And then my moisturizer and cleanser, sometimes I do change up, which you'll have to wait for another video for that because I have to that I hope I never have to. But sometimes, you gotta change it up even if you don't want to. Now, my makeup, I don't change up. We're changing that in 2024. Okay, hairspray, which I, never use, but I'm gonna start using some of certain updos and different things with cowboy hats. So we're gonna need those for little flyaways. Okay, this, I've seen amazing results and amazing reviews on Hyde. They're a new company. They have a tinted moisturizer, and then they have the full coverage concealer and the full coverage foundation. And I went on their website and used their color matching, and so it's really cool because you can put in the foundation that you use already, what kind of skin type you have, what kind of coverage you like, what finish you like. And so this is the foundation, and it's really thick, and it has ooh, I like the way it smells. It has a really good consistency, and it's medium to full coverage. And then this is the concealer. Oh, it opens like this. Ah! Oh yes. Okay, concealer. I didn't go too light because I do like to wear concealer under my foundation. But you can see that I do a lighter under my eye. But I said I have a hard time changing my makeup. But your girl's gonna give that a try. I've heard great things about it. Okay, Pop Lock High Gloss Finish. Color while apply evenly to wet hair style as usual. Smooth lightly over dry styled hair for extra shine. This is glitter in it. Oh, it's like a pump. Okay, we'll have to see about that. Okay, the viral concealer brush. Y'all, I'm so excited. Because I hate washing my makeup brushes, and my concealer brush has seen its days. Like I said, I don't like change, but I've had it for a really long time. So I know I need a new brush. So I'm excited about this. I've seen so many good reviews, and I'm going to be using this under my eye. Ooh, it's even angled. Ooh, I love that. And I used to have creases by this time of the day. But y'all, I've been using one size setting powder for my under eyes. Holy grail. It is new. I've been using it for a couple months, so I'll put that here too. If you're still hanging on, I got more, okay? We're going to try the e.l.f. This is dark. the e.l.f. Halo liquid filter. Okay, this might have to be after a spray tan. I might have gone, I might have gone a little crazy with this color. Let's see. It's definitely going to give me a pretty glow. It's definitely going to be on spray tan days because it's pretty tan, but it's gorgeous. Or the summer when I'm tan. Okay, now I have a tan finger. And then another thing I want to try is a Halo Glow Setting Powder by e.l.f. I'm excited. I've seen a lot of videos on this as well. Okay, I've got 4 more things if you're still with us. Okay, this, I cannot wait. I want to like wash my face right now and try this. So I have acne prone skin and sensitive skin, and one of my favorite creators to follow swears by the coverage of this Dalton for her acne. That she says she's never been able to wear like a tinted moisturizer that actually covers her acne. And she like swears by this, and it has the niacinamide in it. And I got color tan. So let's see. Hopefully it's not too dark, but I get a spray tan on the reg, so maybe it won't be. Ooh, that's dark. Maybe I should have got medium. That's pretty dark. So if you order this in your my coloring, maybe do medium. But we're going to come back with a review. And if it's too dark, I'll send it back and get medium. But that's it right here. This is way too dark. Oh, yellow. Y'all see? I'm not a girly girl. Okay, then they sent me some of their mascara. Dalton did. And then I love my white Big Jumbo pencil by NYX, so I saw that this copper color was gorgeous. And I like to do like some like highlighter in the middle or in the corners of my eye. I don't know. Thought that was pretty. And then finally got my hands on the Viral Contour Stick, the LYS. And I did the color Courage because my favorite creator that I follow said she's like has a little lighter hair, but she says she goes in between Courage and Harmony. So Harmony's on the way because it did come back in stock, but I did the Courage just because I'm a little lighter right now in the winter. So I'll be reviewing this too. But y'all grab all this because I'm telling you right now, my friends are using it and it's viral. So don't wait on me. But if you want to wait on me, tutorials and reviews of all this coming soon.